ma'am. So, after attending the conclave, the workshop, and the panel discussion, what is your major takeaway from here?
It was wonderful session, and the topic you people chosen, like a school should be inclusive for those children, disabled children. That was wonderful. I never attended this type of workshop in which this topic ever touched. And the panel, whatever they, their speech, the way they guided us, the Dr. Swati, the way she guided us, excellent. And I'm hoping to attend this type of workshop again and again, which was conducted by you people.
So, ma'am, were you aware of NEP 2020 policy before, or you got some idea from?
No, that I was aware. I attended workshop before also about the NEP, but they also didn't touch this topic. Inclusive, school should be inclusive for these type of children.
Thank you.